You had to do the appearing one.
And also some other cool magic tricks.
This is a stiff rope.
Just a regular rope and then a band. Very hard to find. Not so expensive. But
Next trick will be the 3 strings. Medium string, long string, real, short string. You grab short string, long string, medium string. Get them all straight. You get the little one, put it up to the top. Get the long one, put it up to the top. Make them where they're all even at the top. Then grab the medium one, put it at the top. Then you break them in half, 3 and 3. One part like this. Go over here, grab this one. This. And that is the 3 strings. And make them all even. Then here goes one, medium string, little string, long string. Next will be the coloring book. Here we go. All blank pages. Then most people like just drawing in it and coloring. So and then you want to add some color in it. Here you go. And that's the coloring book. Next trick we're going to show you is the ring and string. So just your shoelace, real tight, a steel, metal ring. So I'll put it in between the middle, drop it, so I catch it in the middle. Then I'm gonna grab it, yank it through. Now I'm gonna put it on this end like this, hold it real tight. Where to get from there. Put it through the middle of it, like this. Wrap it around, like this, where it's not. Like this. There you go, knot. You're on. Comes apart. Then next trick, Connor's gonna show you.
and this final trick is gonna be the chain and ring. You're gonna need is just a basically your ring and what are you doing? And then just like get a necklace, anything that has to be needs one of them in pieces, sort of. And then you can just get the ring, place it on your middle finger, and then make it where it's up, and then close down with your index finger. And then you get the chain, like this. It might take a few tries, it's hard to learn. And then there you have it. You can wear it at school.